Hey guys, are you want to buy best Allen wrench set reviews? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best Allen wrench set reviews that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Started at number 5, MulWark 17-inch Folding Allen Wrench Set. The MulWark Folding Allen Wrench Set is one of the unique options that we have chosen for our list today. This set includes only 17 pieces, offering 5/65 to 1/4-inch SAE sizes and 1.5 to 8 mm metric sizes for a wrench set. But they come with a folding style case that can store the tools as well as work as a torque handle while you are using the keys. It also offers a special flexible angle to work with the key, offering better access to awkward corners. The keys, on the other hand, are made up of high-grade alloy steel to ensure maximum performance while you are operating the tool set. It creates an ideal balance between the strength and the operating angle of the key to allow working in confined spaces. The storage unit itself is made up of a comfortable rubber material to offer a firm and secure grip on the tool. Now number 4, YIYITOOL S Hex Key Allen Wrench Set. The YIYITOOL S Allen Wrench Set is also a pretty good option for the price since there are 30 pieces included in this set. This set consists of 1/20-inch to 3/8-inch SAE sizes as well as 1.27 to 10 mm metric sizes for Allen wrenches. Thus, this set is compatible with a wide range of applications like mobiles, bicycles, machinery, etc. The material used for YIYITOOL S Allen Wrench Set is high-quality alloy steel that ensures long-lasting reliability along with high hardness and strength of the tool. With that, you can use the YIYITOOL S Allen Wrench Set for high-torque applications without worrying about the build quality of the tools. And on top of that, all of the keys included in the YIYITOOL S Allen Wrench Set feature the classic L-shaped design, to which a lot of users are already familiar. Our third product is Horisty 30-piece Hex Key Set. Horisty is also bringing a decent set for an Allen wrench that can be used for a wide range of applications since it has a lot of sizes present in the set. Still, it is more of a budget choice compared to lots of other choices. This is a 30-piece set made up of heat-treated alloy steel, so the build quality of the tools is not to be doubted here. Within the 30 included pieces, 15 are long-reach hex keys whereas other 5 are high-leverage short keys. The Horisty Hex Key Set kits also come with a torque handle, allowing you to exert additional force for frozen or jammed nuts. On each of these 30 pieces, you will find highly visible markings representing the size of the key. Thus, it is even easier to find the right tool for the job while you are working. Just like most other Allen wrench sets in the market, the Horisty Hex Key Set also comes in a flat storage unit that takes up little space when you are carrying it with you. Now our second product is Amazon Basics Hex Key Allen Wrench Set. Amazon Basics is one of the most popular brands in the market that ensures affordable alternatives to a wide range of products including tools and tool sets. It is also the cheapest option available on this list. This is a set of 26 pieces of Allen wrenches, which is pretty good considering some premium options are limited to 15 to 20 units per set. Even in terms of build quality, the Amazon Basics Hex Key Allen Wrench Set competes with its premium competitors as it is made up of chrome vanadium steel. This material ensures a rugged strength on the tool, and the black oxide finish protects it against all types of environmental damage. Plus, the surface of these Allen wrenches is sand blasted to create a smooth surface, free from damaging sharp edges. And now our last choice is TEKTON Hex Key Wrench Set. This is the most popular option available in the market right now, and currently being used by thousands of individuals. This is a 15-piece set of Allen wrench, including a wide number of options ranging from 0.28 to 3/8-inch in size. The tools feature a black oxide coating on the top to make them safe from moisture contact and prevent problems like corrosion. The TEKTON Hex Key Wrench Set features both long/short arm designs so that you can get an extended reach and create an additional leverage on the job. The storage case of the TEKTON Hex Key Wrench Set is a hinged storage unit that is easier to carry and use. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.